Georgia here, coming at you with another little ammo haul. Starting off with Monarch 9mm, 115 grain full metal jackets, steel casing, which I know, or hope all of y'all know, what it looks like, because it looks like they start doing this little chrome plating. On them. I know that they used to be steel when it was the actual steel looking one with the lacquer finish. I don't know about y'all, but it seems like every other shot was a stud. But next box is this Winchester Defense 147 grain hollow point brass case. Next is Hornady Black 9mm 124 grain hollow point. Brass case. And I got this Hornady Critical Defense 115 grain hollow point. Next box is this Hornady American Gunner 25 round pack 115 grain hollow point. I was gonna say the Monarch and this Winchester, then this Hornady Black I got at Academy. That I my local gun shop. I got actually no, it's actually my local gun shop. I got this one. Then another gun shop I go by. Drive by every so often because of work. I got this one. Then there's this one little mom and pop shop pharmacy. That's where I'm gonna got rest of these at, some of these at, it's this Sailor and Ballet Full Metal Jacket, 180 grain, Smith and Wesson brass case. Then I got that 40 Smith & Wesson. I got 3 boxes of this Federal 20 gauge 5-pack, 2 3/4 inch slugs. Then I also got it the same, this 20 gauge Federal 5-pack slug. It's a 3 inch. Plus, I also got this 50-pack CCI standard philosophy 22. Lid, so that's what that looks like. Then I went to another mom and pop shop. Got 2 boxes of Winchester Super X 3 inch 1 ounce rifle slugs. Those tapes, I had to get it cut open. That's what they look like. I don't know if you can tell, it looks like a little X marked in it on the slug on that one. Then I went by another gun store. Got 2 boxes. This PMC X-Tac 62 grain 5.56 green tips. That's what they look like. That's what 150 what's that? 150, 200, 25, 210, 15, 20, 25, 30, 230, 250, like little 300 rounds. Then at my local Walmart, I picked up this, which I do, I did say is a video state by state on slingshots, only because my slingshot needs to do rubber bands, so I'm kind of might clean it up and have some fun with it. Last but not least, at my local Walmart also got this for my muzzle loader, and last but not least, I also got some muzzle loader primers, because I might be doing some video shooting my 2 muzzle loaders I got, and just let me know what you think, and y'all have a good day and take it easy.